Hello and welcome to Nurses Handbook. Today I will be sharing with you about the booster dose, or we call as the precautionary dose against COVID-19, and also will be sharing with you about the COVID vaccine for the new beneficiaries, that is our children who are aged between 15 to 18 years. After so many trials which were going, finally the government of India has approved with a COVID-19 vaccination for children in the age group of 15 to 18 years. And this drive has been started since 3rd January 2022. Vaccination option for the children will only and only be Covaxin by Bharat Biotech right now. On behalf of the Nurses Handbook team, I request all the parents to get their children vaccinated against COVID-19, especially if your children are belonging to the age group of 15 to 18 years. So now about the booster dose or the precautionary dose. The decision to administer the third dose was taken in view of the recent global surge of COVID cases. The vaccinated are also getting infected as Omicron has properties that can evade the body's immunity shield. So in this view, booster dose or precautionary dose has been started for healthcare workers and frontline workers and all persons aged 60 years and above with comorbidities. And this dose has been started since 10th January 2022. Next thing which comes in our mind is when this booster dose be taken. So the third dose should be taken after the completion of 9 months or 39 weeks from the date of administration of the second dose. Now a thing which needs to be kept in mind is all persons aged 60 years and above with comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, CAD, etc. should consult the doctor, take advice from them and then only get their third dose or the booster dose. A very important thing which I want to share with you people is that you should always keep in your mind that the third dose or the prevention dose will be the same as the first and second dose. That is, if you have taken your vaccine, that is Covishield, for the first and second dose, then your booster dose should also be Covishield only. It should not be any other vaccines. So there is no mix and match here. Now let us see the COVID features and provisions which has been given for the healthcare workers, frontline workers and citizens aged 60 plus with comorbidities. Firstly, if you already have a CoWIN account, then there is no need for fresh registration on CoWIN. From the existing CoWIN account only, you can get the access to your precaution dose. Secondly, the precaution dose will be given only and only after 9 months or 39 weeks, as the date of administration of the second dose is recorded in the CoWIN system. So once the CoWIN system identifies it as you have completed your 9 months or 39 weeks, then only the third dose or the precautionary dose will be given to you. The third feature is that, as already I have told you, that there is no need for a new registration, but yes, one will have to take a prior appointment and it can be taken both online or on the site. The fourth feature is the detail of administration of the precaution dose will be suitably reflected in the vaccination certificates. Now let us see the CoWIN features and provisions for the new beneficiaries aged 15 to 18 years. The first provision is that all those aged 15 years or more will have to register on the CoWIN first. In other words, all those whose birth year is 2007 or before are eligible to get themselves vaccinated. Beneficiaries can self-register first. Secondly, they can self-register themselves through an existing account, or if they want, they can create a new account with a new mobile number and can register themselves for the facilities. The third provision is the beneficiaries can also register on site by the verifier or the vaccinator if self-registration is not possible for them. Secondly, appointments can be booked online as well as on site. For the new beneficiaries aged 15 to 18 years, the only option of vaccination is Covaxin by Bharat Biotech, as this is the only vaccine with EUL. Thank you for watching. For more updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Nurses Handbook.